Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a chow mein, which I think tastes just as good as a Chinese takeaway. Let's go! So the first thing we have to do is get our vegetables all prepped. We're going to be using 2 medium-sized carrots, and the idea here is we're going to be chopping these up into like little matchstick shapes. Quite fiddly to do, so be careful, watch your fingers. And we'll just put those to the side. Next we're going to use half of a cabbage. You can use any type of cabbage you like. I'm going for a Savoy cabbage with this recipe. So cut it in half and then cut out the core, just like so. And we remove that. And here is the cabbage. What we're going to do is just chop it into very thin slices, almost shredded. It's going to look like there's quite a lot of cabbage, but it does wilt when we go to cook it. So don't worry too much. But we're going to go for a whole half of a cabbage. And again, we're going to put this on a plate. We'll use that later when we start our cooking. Next up is some spring onions. So we're going to be using the white parts and the green parts, but first of all we need to prep the white parts. And again, like the carrots, we're going to chop these as thinly as we can, like so. Again, mind your fingers. And again, we're going to put these on a plate to the side, ready for later. And the green sections we're just going to chop into small pieces. These will get added to the wok at the last minute. We'll put those to the side as well. And now we're on to the garlic. 3 cloves of garlic. We're just going to remove the skin. Just chop each end off, and they should peel away from the skin quite easily. And then what we're going to do is use the knife and just press them down, squash them. That will release all the flavours. I'm going to try and squash all 3 of these bits in one go. There we are. And now we're just going to chop them really finely. You could grate them if you want to. I do prefer to chop them. And we're going to put those on a plate ready for cooking. And now we're on to the sauce. I've got 2 tablespoons of water there, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. In it goes. And now the dark soy sauce, we're going to do the same. 2 teaspoonfuls. In it goes. Now we've got some oyster sauce, and that's just 1 teaspoonful. And we're going to give that a good old stir. Here we are. Now you can use fresh noodles, but I'm using these dried ones. It says 6 minutes, but we're only going to cook it for 4. We've got some boiling water, and we're going to add the noodles into the boiling water. And then using a pair of tongs, we're just going to mix them around a bit. Get all the water inside so that the noodles start to separate. Here we are. And after 4 minutes, we're going to take them off and we're going to let them stand. And now we're on to the fun part. We've got a wok. We're on quite a high heat. We're going to add some olive oil. And then we're going to add in the carrots that we chopped earlier. You can hear that sizzling away. And we're going to be frying these for about a minute or so. Just mix it all around. And then we're going to add our garlic. And then we're going to give this a really good mix. Get all those flavours. And now, after about another minute, we're going to then add in the cabbage. Now, as I said, this looks like a lot of cabbage, but it does wilt and it does reduce, so don't worry too much. But we've got to try and give it a bit of a char. That will release some of the flavours of the cabbage. Mix it all up. And after a minute or so, it's time to add in the white onions. And here we are, the white onions. Again, we're going to give these a good old mix up. We're making just a vegetable one today, but you could, once you've got all the vegetables prepped, you could add in some cooked chicken or beef, whatever takes your fancy. Make some sort of chow mein. And now the noodles go in after another minute. The noodles are in. I'm going to give this a good old mix. It's quite hard to separate the noodles. They do stick together a little bit. Maybe I should have added some oil when they were resting. But yeah, we'll just give these a good old mix for a couple of minutes. And now we're going to add in the sauce that we prepped earlier. This is going to give it a lovely flavour, lovely colour. And it's a lot easier to mix as well once you've got some juice in there. So after another minute or so, we're going to add some sesame oil. This will bring out some more flavour. Going to give that a nice little drizzle. And give it another mix. Right. And now we're going to add a little bit more of the dark soy sauce, just to give it a bit more colour. And give it a really, really good stir. Let's get all these vegetables and noodles mixed together. Here we are. And now I'm going to add some MSG. This is optional, you don't have to. I find it does bring out the flavour, especially on sort of Chinese, Asian cuisine. But you don't have to. I'll give that a really, really good mix. You can see it's all coming together now. And after about another minute, we're going to add the green stems of the onions. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the heat, and the green stems will just cook in the residual heat of the chow mein. Get it all mixed up. And look at that, it looks beautiful. Can't wait to try it. Let's get it on a plate. And let's tuck in. Looks amazing. My God, that really does taste quite authentic. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Leave any comments down below and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.